Hello everyone, Quick Helper here. In this video, I'll walk you through using Trello for project management. Whether it's for personal or team projects, Trello offers a fantastic way to organize and collaborate. When you first open Trello, you'll see your default board. To add tasks, simply tap on Add Card and enter your task details. You can customize each card by adding checklists, attachments, members, due dates, and more. One of Trello's strengths is its flexibility. You can easily move cards between lists. For example, if a task is urgent, move it from to-do list to the doing list as you work on it. And finally, to the done list when completed. Need to involve your team? No problem. You can add members to your board by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you just have to select members and invite them via email or username. Your team members can collaborate by commenting on cards, moving them between lists, and adding labels. With Trello, project management becomes a breeze. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.